Hi everyone, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm getting ready to go on a short staycation. I will be visiting family in the Cocoa Beach area, and we have rented an Airbnb condo for a long weekend. We'll be there Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night, and leave Monday. And I'm going to bring Malibu with me, and I want to I want to pack some stuff for her, some clothing. I haven't even packed for myself yet, but I have to pack for Malibu first. So obviously she's going to be wearing these shades. These are actually from Cherry Beach Sunset, her stock, and you got to have sunglasses, right? So that's a given. I'm going to do that. But I'm trying to figure what else to bring. I have this little tin here that's like a little suitcase, and she's going to... this is going to be her suitcase. So I tend to overpack for myself, though I have to say I never have regretted overpacking. I'm not one of those people, you know, you have people that they go on trips and they're like, oh, all I needed to bring was my bathing suit. I didn't need to bring anything else. That is not me. Okay. Never have regretted overpacking. Always glad I have a choice. I'm not like a fashionista by any means, but I just like to have my choices. So, anywho, I do know for sure some things I'm definitely going to bring. Obviously, I'm going to bring this Creatable Worlds little bathing suit. I have a video where I did a try-on with her and also a jointed Blythe body. So, this fits her. This is cute. And yeah, you got to have a bathing suit. We're only going to be there a few days, so it's not like she needs tons of bathing suits, but she does need one. So, that's a for sure. We're going to bring that. And this is the little cover-up that also came in that Creatable World summer kit. And again, I will, I'll link the video in case you missed it. So there's some shorts here and this little top. So I'm going to also include those for sure. Yeah, because this looks cute. This looks cute together. So yeah, these are for sure. I also for sure need to send her off with some pajamas. I got these a really long time ago, I think off of AliExpress, and I don't even remember who, which vendor on there. A lot of times people say, oh, I got that at AliExpress, and they don't really tell you who they got it from because there's multiple vendors on there. And I would tell you if I remember, and I just don't. But this is pretty common. You could still find these if you search for Blythe Doll pajamas. They're flannel, and they're super cute. So she's got to have her PJs, so that's a for sure. Putting those in there. All right, so let's see. I'm going to put in, she's going to go barefoot with me, but I am going to add some shoes. These are cute little boots. Again, I got these on AliExpress, and I am not 100% sure. I think the vendor might have been called Fairy Tale Blythe or something like that. Again, these are pretty common little faux mug boots. So they're going to go. And then these were the slip-on shoes that also came in that Creatable World summer pack, fashion pack. So they're going to go. They fit her okay, good enough, well enough. So they're going to go in there. All right, so we're getting down there. Also, I'm going to include, of course, she has to have this really cool little towel here that also came in that fashion pack with Creatable World. So she's got to have a towel, so she's set for that. And then I have these little hair bands. These don't take up much room. I got these little headbands from Marna at Dolls Rescued. She included them in a dolly mail to me when she sent me some really cool stuff with the May 4th Be With You. So again, I show those in a previous video if you want to take a look see. So yeah, I'm going to put those in there. Got to have her hair back. All right, so now we're kind of honing in here. Oh yeah, a tote bag. She needs to have a little tote bag. This is one I made. Again, I did a video where I showed how to make these. She needs to have a tote bag for the beach. She will also be bringing the surfboard, though obviously this does not fit in there. But I'm looking forward to trying to take some pictures of her on the beach with the surfboard. This is from Skipper, and I did a box opening of a Malibu Skipper doll and also showed Malibu here, this Malibu, trying on the skipper outfits, and I even had a vintage skipper too. So again, I'll try to remember to link all these videos in the comments below and maybe in the description. So anyway, that's coming, but it doesn't fit inside, obviously, this little suitcase, but it's going to come. And this little thing, I probably, if it fits, I think I'm going to cram it in there. It's starting to lose some of its air in there, but I think it would be really cute to take some pictures of her with this. This is a fun prop. So, all right, now we're getting down to it. Now, she needs to have something to wear there on the trip there. I put this little dress here. I think it looks really cute with the sunglasses, and she looks adorable in it. And by the way, I did go ahead and decide to keep the Takara body on her, the faux Takara body. And I will say, I had a hard time totally closing her little head up here at the bottom, so that's about as good as it's going to get. But I got the rest of it closed up and the screws back in, so she's going with this for now. But I have some other cute dresses that I either want her to wear on the way there, or bring with me. So here's one little dress. It's like a little simple peasant dress. I like it because it's yellow, and so it seems kind of, you know, a summery sort of color, and it's kind of boho-y because it's a little peasant dress, so that's a possibility. I have a couple of these dresses. These are so cute, this one especially, but both of these are from when I used to be able to get the Sparkle Girls clothing at Walmart, seriously, for like $2. And these are both really cute. This one especially probably would fit really well on her, on the smaller body. This one, if I remember correctly, it may not fit her, so I'll have to try, maybe I'll try that on. And I know this fits her. The other items here I'm looking at are, this is a little flamingo skirt that I made for dolls a little while ago, and I thought this would look cute either with any of these tops. This is also a Sparkle Girls top. Might be a little bit big. We'll have maybe double check that. This is adorable. Look at that. This is from, this is stock from, what's her name? Disco Boogie. So this is a Disco Boogie top. And that would be cute with these jean shorts. And I know, you know what? I know I want to bring the jean shorts for sure. When you're going out, you always have a pair of jeans and or jean shorts. So for sure, that goes with everything. She can wear this with multiple outfits, so that's going to be for sure. So that's a maybe. And then I have these other cute t-shirts. This one says, I Heart Unicorn. And this one says, Black Sea Pirate. These also, I think I could have her wear with this little skirt or the jeans. So yeah, I'm going to try her out in some of these outfits that I'm not sure about. I need to for sure try on and see if this fits her and see if this fits her before I decide to bring those or not. I'm thinking, if you notice, I got a little pink here, so I'm thinking this is going to be a no, just because everything else kind of goes together, and this is, you know, it looks cute, but there's just no pink in it. So I'm going to go with kind of a pink theme, I think, going on here. So that's a no. All right, so let me try on. I'm going to try these on away from the camera and come back and just show you real quick. All right, here she is in this little dress, which I'm blown away by the quality for $2. It's even lined, people. There's even a lining down here underneath this. All right, so I think this is a strong contender. I don't know if she's going to go in it or maybe I'll just pack it. My only thing is I'm going to be having her hang out in my purse, and I would worry that maybe this might get caught on something in my purse because this is woven and you could snag this. So I'm thinking I'm going to bring this, but she's not necessarily going to wear it on the way there because she and I have to actually travel in the car together to Satellite Beach, to the condo, and so she needs an outfit for the car. All right, this is a strong contender. The only thing is, you can see here that little bump is from her undies. It's got a little bow on it, so I'll have to see if I can find a different pair of underwear if she were to wear this. But this is cool. This is what I like. She looks sophisticated. A little bit, you know, she's not like a little child. She's a young lady heading out to the beach to spend the weekend with her crew. So definitely a strong contender. So here she has a Sparkle Girls top on that actually fits her much better than I had anticipated, but it doesn't really work well with this little skirt. It's kind of bunches up here, and I really want her to bring this skirt. I think this is a cute, easy outfit to put on her. Obviously, it's got a nice nautical, you know, beachy theme to it because it's got flamingos on it. So let me try this on with a different t-shirt. All right, I'm back, and I remembered that I had another skirt that I had made, and this is a wrap skirt with just a little snap here. So I think I'm going to go with this because even with this shorter cropped shirt, this was kind of bunching up here. So we're not going to go with that one. We're going to go with this particular flamingo skirt. So this is a no, and sticking with the other flamingo skirt. I still think I'm going to not bring this one. It's just still kind of big on her. Not awful, but, you know, got to make decisions. We can't bring everything right. And as I was looking around for stuff, I remembered that she needs to have a little hair clip. So I got these little clips. I picked these up at Del Sol when I used to go cruising. And these work really well in the Blythe hair. And let's see. Oh, and I also have this little hat. She's definitely going to have to bring a hat. We don't get her too sunburnt. So this is really cute with this. I'm going to try one of those other t-shirts on. And I should also mention, by the way, I meant to mention this earlier, I have like a ton of Blythe clothes, and I've thought of doing videos before where I just kind of, you know, go through them all as I organize them. So if that's something you might be interested in seeing sometime, it's kind of a collection on its own, let me know. All right, let me try on another couple of shirts and be right back. All right, I love this t-shirt. I don't necessarily love it with this skirt, but she is going to have these jean shorts. So I might bring the t-shirt to wear with this. Let me try one more t-shirt on, and then we're going to have to make some decisions here. Oh, and I forgot about this little dress. We're close. We're almost making some decisions. All right, here she is with the pirate. Pirate and flamingos. It's all right. I'm not feeling it. So we're not sure about this shirt. I adore this dress. I got it in a swap. I really need to figure out how to make it. It's very similar cut to a lot of the dresses I already make, but notice how the back is a little bit different. So I just need to, you know, put my big girl panties on and figure out a little pattern for this because it is so, so cute. If anybody knows a pattern that already exists for this, though, please let me know in the comments. So, yeah, this might be a definite. So, all right, I by the way, I did find a different pair of undies for her. So, yeah, so now we're going to have to make decisions. I'm going to bring this dress in case she wants to wear it. Honestly, we are just going to pretty much stay at the condo. We're not even going to go out to eat. We are bringing food, and we're going to do to-go. We are still trying to stay safe, even though all of us on the trip are vaccinated, fully vaccinated. We're still, you know, not totally sure, and we just want to spend time together. So, but I'm going to go ahead and bring this just in case we might run around a little bit Monday afternoon in downtown Cocoa Village. So this might be something she might wear then. I think I'm going to have her wear this actually on the way there as her traveling dress. So she's going to wear that on the way there. This is a for sure because it goes together, and she can wear this with the jean shorts. So this has multi-purpose there. And then, I don't know, will these fit? Like I said, I always overpack. Let's see if I can fit the rest of this in here. If it fits, it comes. If it fits, what is it? If it fits, it's it, or whatever. Yeah, I think it's going to fit. Yeah, I'm going to switch her out, and I'm going to put this in there, and hopefully I can still fit this in, and she can wear her sunglasses. All right, Malibu is ready to go. She has all of her stuff packed up in this little suitcase. She'll be probably wearing her hat and sunglasses as she's sitting in my little tote bag that I bring with me. I say little tote bag. It's actually a purse, and it's a big purse. and of course her surfboard. And now I have to get myself packed up and ready to go. You guys, thanks so much for stopping by. I always appreciate it. I appreciate that you spend some time with me on my channel and enjoy my silliness. Have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye-bye.